tell us that we are corrupt.
I'm not saying you're corrupt. What I'm saying here is, meron pong mga tao dyan sa loob ng inyong organization. I'm not saying you are corrupt. I'm saying there are people there that are not doing their job, or maybe they're involved in corruption. Because if they're not involved, common sense na po ito, Secretary Galvez. Pag nagsabi ka ikaw ay combatant, di ba combatant meaning, meron kang baril. So kung meron kang baril, isusurrender mo yung kapalit ng 100,000.
Your Honor, the categories of the firearms is not only individual firearms. We have also cruiser weapons. That cruiser weapons, meron po yung mga 5 o 6 po yung tao na.
Then sana magmamatch pa rin. Isama mo na yung machine gun, isama mo yung cruiser weapon, ano pa mga weapon. Kasama na dapat din.
But I definitely take offense, Senator, that you are already telling us that there is obstruction. I believe that is not a correct accusation to us.
Well, sir, I'm sorry. I'll stand by what I said. Meron pong corruption dito. Masaktan ka na, masaktan ka, I don't care. I'm talking on behalf of the taong bayan. Kasi nga, sir, very clear ng discrepancy dahil kung hindi po talaga, kung wala po talagang korupsyon dito, sana nagmamatch tong numbers. Hindi po nagmamatch eh. At isa pa, dapat nag-imbestiga na kayo dati pa. Pinaliwanag nyo sa amin yung discrepancy. Ano nangyari? Yun lang po yun eh.
Your Honors,
Kasi we're talking of hundreds of thousands. May mga allegation pa nga, hindi nga natanggap daw yung pera.
Your Honor, we are there. We are validating all
Then prove to us na walang korupsyon. Then sabihin nyo sa amin bakit ganito kalaking discrepancy. Pag napaliwanag mo ng maayos, then babawiin kung sinabi ko rito.
Your Honor,
Mag-apologize pa ako sa iyo. Pero unless hindi mo ba ipaliwanag, then I'll stand by what I said, may corruption. Sir, mag-imbestiga po kayo, sir. I'm not saying again you're corrupt. There is corruption here. Mag-imbestiga po kayo, sir. And dapat, head should roll dito. Meron talagang kalokohan dito. Hindi mo admit yun, sir, pero I'll stand by what I said. Maliban na lang, sir, kung ikaw ay nag-imbestiga at napakita mo sa amin, klarong-klaro na kung bakit ganitong discrepancy. Then babawiin kung sinabi ko. Pero kapag hindi niyo po napakita na ipaliwanag na maayos, I'll stand by what I'm saying here na there is corruption. And sa susunod po na hearing, pababawasan ko po yung budget ninyo. Dapat bigyan natin halaga yung buhay ng mga sundalo at mga polis natin. Huwag natin basta-basta na lang, sige, peace tayo, peace amnesty para, sorry again para pagkakitaan. And again, I'm not saying it's you. Huwag ko kayo maging masyadong defensive because I'm not referring to you. I'm referring to the body, to the organization na nagpo-process nitong pagsusurrender na para sa akin, paninindigan ko, pinagkakitaan. Hindi ko kayo naawa sa mga sundalo, hindi kayo naawa sa mga polis.
Sir, I beg to disagree na pinagkakitaan po sa rin decommissioning because I myself really implementing this. I would like to really to...
Then show me proof. Kasi pag
show
nakita ka sa
proof,
akin ng proof, then babawiin ko
I will show proof, sir,
sa susunod na hearing.
yes, I will show proof that we are not.